big boy, and that's big boy number 2, and we're the big boy brothers. We're going on the train next.
Gentlemen, welcome to the 12 days trip of the War to King Valley, Monument Valley Railroad. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated throughout the entire ride, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and feet and touch turns at all times. There is no eating, drinking, or smoking allowed on the train, so please sit back and enjoy. That's the Captain Wood Christmas.
Greatest weekend I've ever played. Aside from Go Vacation, Ski Free, and Star Wars game.
Okay. Yo, we're here on the train.
Let me get off the train! What are we gonna do? It's moving! We can't get off now! Soldier Boy made a console. I watched John Trump. No! You know!
We'd like to remind you to like and subscribe to our channel. And please hit the bell button, it really helps. Please. There's a murder. Someone's vaping on the train. Fire! What are we gonna do? It's on fire! Oh, we're gonna die!
My trick to Japan.
I'd like to remind you to like the video and subscribe. Also, we're doing a giveaway for $1 free. All you need to do is subscribe, like, turn on the bell, and comment. How I'll know you did all these things? I don't know. I'll figure that out later.
How old are you? I'm 12.
I'm 7. That's a nice house.
The newest Logan Paul video, I lied about my age. I'm actually 12.
Look guys, it's Fort Knox. Knox.
Fortnite.
Yeah.
It's Fortnite. Wait, why is that? She's dabbing dramatically.
Hand out. Your hand out. Music on the ground back there. We need to go get it.
9 lamps, a lamp. Do you love it when almost all Christmas songs are created by Jewish people?
There's train robbers back there.
You should have videotaped while I was saying, they're not.
The train broke. We're stopping. Summoning circles. That's what the brass players use.
Wait, what are those supposed to be for? It looks like a...
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for riding the 12 days trip with the War to King Valley and Miami Valley Railroad. We will be making a brief stop outside of the Rivertown Station as we wait for the green train to depart from said station. Please do not. Please remain in your seats until we get back into the Rivertown Station. I will let you know when you're
Percussion.
Is that man eating his horse?
Like and subscribe, not the ones who don't.
Don't jump. No, don't.
These guys are good at balancing.
Yeah, they're not even on the thing. Oh, I forgot this sticker system.
At this point in the video, we'd like to remind you to like and subscribe.
Death is upon us. One thing I'd say is, you're welcome. Wait, can we get back on? Someone get a
This Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This